Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can probably hear, I'm a little sick. I got the cold yesterday because under immense peer pressure I was talked into having a swim in the ocean while it was well, it was hot outside, but the water was not so hot, but I guess it was worth it because I haven't swum in the ocean for years and the water was so clear, it was so beautiful. So I guess I'm gonna have to deal with the consequences now and just move on. So anyway, in today's video we are unboxing this month's BIRCHBOX. So as you can see, it looks a little bit different than usual. It's a tin box actually. So I think it's for their 5th birthday or something like that. So yeah, it's cute. It's definitely reusable. So maybe I'll put some teas in it or something like that. So let me open that up and let's just dive into the first product. So the first product is the Ella Eden. That's it. Julia eyeshadow. So this is what the inside looks like. Very beautiful. And oh Jesus, that's so creamy. And let's just give it a little swatch. Very pretty. I think this is the color that we have, I don't know if you can see that there, that we have chosen last month for this month basically. So there was a choice between this shade and a darker one, so quite happy with that. It's definitely a beautiful color, so I'm going to have a lot of use out of it. And the next thing that we have is the POREfessional Pearl Primer from Benefit. So we have this very teeny tiny little sample. It's 3 milliliters. I actually own this primer. I have another travel size of this, so you can see it's so tiny. I love this. I'm just going to use my own and put this in the refill pile that I have. So this is what the primer actually looks like, and when you blend it in, it makes your skin feel so soft and silky, no pores, no anything. It's actually really good. And you know, honestly I don't really see the shine, but I think I'd prefer to use this one over the original one because, you know, like I have dry skin, so I don't know if you can see it there, I burned my face very stupidly, and there's some skin coming off, so you know, I don't want to dry it out even further. So this is very good. I actually really like it. And the next thing we have is the Lord and Berry Strobing pencil in the shade 1153. So I guess this is like a highlight pencil. Let me just draw it on my hand. Oh Jesus, it's melting. It's so hot here in Ireland, like 30 degrees hot. Can you imagine? Like, so everything is melting. I'm melting. My face is so sweaty, but sure. This is how the pencil looks like. I mean, this is cool. You know, to use it like, let me just get that nub underneath your brow or something. I know I already have a highlight underneath my brows, but sure. Wanna give it a try. See, this is just super quick and nice. I really like this product. I'm definitely going to use this. So that's cool. And the next thing that we have is the N4 High Performance Hair Care. It's a smoothing balm for your hair. So it tames and smooths frizzy, unruly hair for a soft, touchable, polished look. And the way to use it is to distribute evenly through damp hair, blow dry or air dry. So this is cool. I'm definitely going to put this in my shower. So just, you know, because my hair is usually, it's not frizzy, but you know, it's just all over the place. So it'd be nice to have something, you know, to kind of smooth it out and make it look nice and shiny. And the last thing that we have is from Polaar, and this is Velvety Sun Fluid Face and Body SPF 30. So this is how the product looks. Very cool. I'm so happy that I have an itch. So that's very good. I'm definitely going to put it away in my traveling pile because I'm going to Poland soon, in a month actually, which is crazy. And then in 2 months I'm going to Gran Canaria. So I'm definitely going to take this to either one of these trips, we'll see. And the last thing that we have is the Whittard Chelsea 1886 3 individually wrapped tea bags. So this is what it looks like. Let me just open that up. And we got 3 bags. So we got the Earl Grey one, the lemon and ginger, and the mango and bergamot one. So this is what they look like. Pretty cool. I'm probably going to take them to work because I like to drink my tea, like fancy tea, or you know, coffee at work. So I'm definitely going to take this. So let me take a look here. I really like the sunscreen. I actually am very surprised by this pencil. I'm definitely going to use it. That eyeshadow is super creamy and the color is just perfect. The smoothing balm, I will give it a try. So that's a yes from me. And also the Benefit POREfessional, I've already tried this before, so I know I like it and I'm definitely going to get some use out of it. So this month is actually a 5 out of 5 box for me, so that is great. I'm really happy about that. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'm sorry I might not be as you know, as bubbly or whatever, as excited as usually I am because of that cold. You know, it's just so annoying. But anyway, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.